Alright, we're going to change the rear shock mounts right here. As easy as it gets. I got some from RCLIONS off of Amazon. The RCLIONS. I got the front and rear kit, aluminum, super cheap. I'll figure out how to do links and stuff. I'll do that. I'll put it in the description. This is gonna be so easy. I can see, and I haven't even done it before. Just kind of remember where your shock holes were. These actually have the R and an L on them, so I mean it's pretty tough. It's the left side, so guess what? I'm gonna get the L. I'm not the L. I'm gonna just remember where they're bolted shockwise, and then you're just gonna unbolt the shock and the rest of those bolts right there. Pretty tough. Here's what she looks like with the shock out. Easy to remember that hole, I guess. Pretty obvious. Pretty obvious. It's a long bolt. Alright, let's take out those bolts, and I'll do that and then slap the new one on. Okay, make sure you pay attention when you take these bolts out too, that you know the lengths and the heads on them, so that you can get, there's a hardware kit, but you want to match everything up. Like that's what came out of this left side, and the long ones were on the top and the shorter ones were on the bottom. And you can see that, you know, I matched that up, and I matched that up with the heads. They have the same exact type of heads. They countersink into it. And I'm going to go ahead and install that. Alright, so this screwed me up. I said it was easy. It was easy. Sitting here trying to put this on. It's the left side of the truck. Let's get the L on it. I guess that just means I'm a loser, because it doesn't fit that side of the truck. Do we think different these days? Like, I thought left would mean left side of the truck, but I don't know. So the one with the R on it's over here. Everything's lining up perfect. And we'll see on the other side. Tell me why I'm dumb, people. So that's this side installed. I had to laugh because I was like, pay attention to where that bolt, that top one come out. And I looked after I was done, and I had it in the next one in. I didn't even have it in the same hole. So there we go. But she's on. This is a cool mod if you just want to do something to your truck. I don't think it's going to be a game changer, but I'll let you know if the other side works out, just because of the labeling. So there it is installed. The L and R were backwards in my head, so we'll see. Tell me what you think, but either way, it's an inexpensive mod, and like I say, I'll try to put a link in the description. Take care. Enjoy. Alright, I have the RCLIONS front aluminum shock tower mounts. I'm going to do the easier side first, just because it's got one less bolt, I think. But you're going to take out, if you watch the rear video, you're going to take out those bolts. You're going to take out that shock bolt, and there's going to be, I think, probably one behind it. Good chance, but and just kind of remember what your shock bolt come out of, and then up here you're gonna definitely have to take out that bolt and that bolt. I will show you right here. You can see this is it as if it was in there, and those are the two top bolts I just showed you. One right there, one right there. Alright, yeah, there is no more up there. My first time doing it, so yeah, this will be pretty easy. So basically you're just going to take out all those bolts. Okay, here's that passenger side out. Take note to what bolts you take out of where and the heads you have on them, so that you can take the new ones out of the hardware kit from the RCLIONS kit and replace them with the correct bolts. And that is the one that's going in there. I'm going to go ahead and stick that back in there. Okay, so there's the side I'll put back together. Super easy. Super easy. Now the other one, Same exact thing, except you've got this one extra one. That's it. And that is right here. So that's all you have to deal with extra, guys. And you can just do that other side. There's no sense me videoing it for you. Wasting time. Go for it. Get her done. It looks nice. Everything lined up great. Send it.